Hello, I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw a robot called Bobbot. Now he is a character from my children's book series, The Visitor. Okay, so this one, it's got a lot in it. It's adventure and suspense, there's friendship. I will show you a picture. Here we go. So, now the character looks quite evil on that one, but there's a reason that he looks evil, and it's to do with a nasty, not very nice lady who wants to dominate the world. So this is programming these robots in to be evil. Okay, I'm not going to tell you any more about this. It's sad. I won't give too much away in case you want to read it. But it's a lovely story. There is a bit of scary bits, but not too scary. But there's some lovely characters in that one. I think one particularly you'll really like. So let me stop talking and get drawing. So I'm going to draw him friendly rather than mean on that one. So I'm going to go down here. This is going to be the chin. Like that. And then I'm going to go up. It's got a big head. And round. Try and connect to there. Do the eyes. And so it's friendly, so I'm going to do a nice smile. Okay, now his shoulders, I'm going to go in, connect to the head on that side. And this side, I'm going to go out the other way. Okay, and then I'm going to bring his body down to around here. So I'm going to go up, around to around there. And then I'm going to go across. And then I'm going to go up. Try and connect and meet with that line there. There we are. And now I'm going to draw the arms. I'm going to do a loop and loop on that side. And again. There we go. Now he's got his strongest character, so I'm going to do massive forearms here. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to go up and round like that. So nice little bit curved there. There's his big muscly forearms, very strong, which would be very useful. There's his hand. Same on this side. Let's try and make it similar to that side. Thickness, so his arms the same thickness. And go around like that. Looks a bit like a boxer, doesn't he? So, sorry, boxers. I'm not saying boxers like she made me jump then. The door's just gone. Frighten me. There's his hands. So legs. Drawn little teeny legs. I thought it made him look cute. Got two bit blobs there. Okay. And we're going to have lines coming down. Lines coming down. I'm going to have coming up like that. Same on that side. I'm coming in. Around. Try and match that. There we go. And that is Bobbot. So if you want to read the story, you'll find the links below. And thank you for watching. Take a picture on your phone because I would love to see your pictures and post them on my page. Or scan it and send it in. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.